All right, I am very excited to announce today the very special release of what's in this box. So these are the brand new Braille skateboarding shoes. They are called the Red Lodge. These are available right this second at brailleskateboarding.com. So these have a combination, canvas here, suede there, and I really like how the sole turned out. I've been skating these a lot, and I've been seeing a lot of comments. Where can I get those shoes? How can I get those shoes? Well, they are available right now for the very first time because we have been waiting for them to arrive in the warehouse, and they are officially arrived right at this second. So to celebrate that, I thought, you know, that a bunch of people have been requesting a very special game of skate. I've been dodging this game of skate for a long time. Chris versus Aaron, manuals only.
That's what we're doing today? No way.
All right, Chris, help me move this. Move this manual pad that way. That's probably good. Oh wait, no, move it back. Oh no, that's good. Oh no, a little back that way. Get him nice and worn out, then I can win. Okay, so we're playing 3 games total. The first is on a flat box. The next, downhill mani pad, and then the third game, anything counts? Not really anything counts, but everywhere. Ah! Yeah! Okay, you know how Star Wars is like the good guys are like colors and then the bad guys are red? So I'll be blue and Chris will be red. Leave it in the comments below if there's some special reason for the red. Chris has been practicing a lot and I have not. Started off easy. Yes, sir. Dang it, Robbie. What? I told you I haven't been practicing. Dang it. That's what I mean about manuals though. Like we were talking earlier, it's like it could go any way. Either you could miss something silly like I did on the Manny 180, or I could do a bunch of weird manual variations and get them. That's a good one. Leave it in the comments below. Which shove it weighs easier? Run this back. If I miss this, I will literally be so upset. I'm so thankful to not have been gotten skunked on this game. That one's too easy for Chris, though. Why am I nervous to flip in, Gabe? Sheesh! Switch, baby. Yeah. This boy got it all day and night. All day. Dang it. I'm getting nervous on this. And that's why I knew he was doing something like that. I've never done this before. Everyone that I miss, just make up some really metaphysical reason that I still landed it. And then Chris, everything just, no, just sorry, bro. Switch, Manny. Fakey? I have never done that. I've not ever done that. For being a manual guy and never having done Fakey Manny, I'm sorry, y'all, it's a little embarrassing. I better not miss this again, I swear. Well, at least I didn't get skunked. gonna have to start throwing some bangers up in here.
That's weird. I was gonna ask you to do that one.
You say, or that, or a half cab.
Uh-oh.
That's a T, baby. We out here. One for the left. All right, go, Crispy.
Oh! Oh, wait! Did you know? Oh!
Manny Mania, baby. All right, this is just because Chris did that little signature nose Manny bonk thing. Switch. Switch nose Manny, pivot Manny.
Oh, no!
I told him not to go off the side. Hey, you're skating this ramp, go off the end. At least I won a game. Oh, that feels good. Shoo! I'm pretty sure Chris let me win, but the next game will be the real deciding factor because he's got that look in his eye like, ain't no second goes, boys. So now we're going to the downhill mani pad. Okay, I zeroed out the letters. Chris got first go. Oh no. That's brutal. That is brutal. Yeah. Sheesh. Oh no. I thought for sure you were clipping the top right there.
I was too, I just had to ride it out.
That's what I thought on the regular mani, and then I did it, and then I was like, well, I'm already off balance. Sheesh! Yeah. To grind. To grind. Woo! Well, I knew it was like 50-50. It's all about how I get in at the beginning. Sheesh! Last letter. That was it? Phew! That was sketchy. This is a gentleman's game.
Beat him up.
I got 5% chance of landing this trick right here, Crispy.
Oh.
Dang. Whew.
I felt like I maybe earned that one.
Yeah, you earned that one. Okay, first trick, whole park. Dang it. Yeah. Dang, that's your whole park. Shoo! Sheesh! I didn't know how to set up on that.
I wanted to do the AK manual so bad.
It's tough out there.
Got him.
Shoo! See, the thing is, I really want to do fakey Bigfoot Manny, but if I just keep missing it over and over, is it really worth it?
Messing with you though.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah. With my angle, it's like different.
He may be the manual master, but he doesn't practice that one too much, does he?
No, no, definitely not. Wait, that? I mean, going backside, I'm just gonna hit the rail. Last letter, baby, let's go.
All right.
Shee! Where you got that?
Wow.
Shoo! No, I'm not hitting him dirty. He told me to hit him dirty. I said, gentlemen.
How much you pay this guy this
Was
time?
continuing to try that
7 cents.
fakey Bigfoot Manny, hitting him dirty? No, sir. Just had to get into that.
Forgot how good you were.
Yeah, bangers only. How banger are we going though? Sheesh. Not the best land.
Dang it!
I feel like Chris let me win on it.
I feel like you let me lose.
That was pretty invigorating.
That was good. I feel like every game was close,
Yeah.
but in the end.
All right, that was really fun. It's not often we get to just skate.
Yeah, I know.
All right, boy.
Hey, I want a rematch though.
Yeah, let's do it. No refs. Yeah, leave it in the comments below for the refs. So really hope you enjoyed this game of skate. These shoes, brand new shoes, are available right now at BRAILLESKATEBOARDING.com. Go pick them up. I know you guys are gonna have a blast skating them. These are actually really, really good. I'm really proud of them. They came out really, really well. More to come on that later. You guys are the absolute best. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BRAILLESKATEBOARDING.com.